Thank you for calling JLB Solutions. My name is Lawrence. How may I assist you today?
You can assist me by finally processing my refund. I've been waiting for 2 weeks. I've called multiple times and nothing has happened.
I understand the inconvenience the situation has caused, and I appreciate you bringing it to our attention. Please allow me to take full responsibility in ensuring this issue is addressed promptly.
That's what everyone says, but nothing ever gets done. I need the real answers now.
You are absolutely right to expect a solution. May I kindly verify your order number so I can check the status of the refund and identify what happened?
It's 129345. I was told it would take only 5 business days.
Thank you for providing that. I checked the system and I see that your refund was processed, but a delay occurred due to a technical issue with our banking partner. The good news is that the issue has been resolved and the refund should reflect in your account within the next 24 hours.
That's exactly what I heard last time. Why should I believe it now?
I completely understand your frustration. Here's what I will do moving forward. I'll personally escalate this to our billing department and I'll send you a follow-up confirmation via email by tomorrow. I'll monitor the progress myself until the refund is successfully completed.
Alright, I appreciate that. I just don't want to keep calling for the same issue.
I absolutely understood. Your time is valuable and I truly appreciate your patience. Is there anything else I may assist you with at this moment?
No, that's it. Thanks, Lawrence.
You're very welcome and I'll be in touch as promised. Please take care and have a great day ahead.
In the scenario 1, Lawrence effectively handled the angry customer by maintaining a calm and professional demeanor, which helped de-escalate the situation. He acknowledged Mr. Santos' frustration, provided clear information about the refund status, and offered proactive solutions, including escalating the issue and promising a follow-up. However, there is a room for improvement, such as incorporating more active listening and techniques and using a slightly softer tone at the start. To apply these strategies in real situation, regular training on de-escalation techniques and role-playing exercise can prepare agents for challenging interaction, while developing empathy skills and establishing clear protocols for follow-ups can enhance customer relations. Creating a feedback loop for agents to share experience can also foster continuous improvement within the team.
Good day. Thank you for calling JLB Solutions. This is Janice speaking. How can I assist you today?
I paid for your premium service over a week ago. My payment was instantly deducted, but I haven't received any confirmation or access. What's going on?
I truly understand how concerning this is, Mr. Lawrence, and I appreciate you bringing it to our attention. Please allow me to take fully responsibility in making sure this gets resolved as quickly as possible.
I've called twice already and got no answers. I wanted to fix it now or I'm canceling everything.
I hear your frustration, and you're absolutely right to expect clear and timely service. May I kindly have the transaction ID or the email you used to sign up so I can investigate the issue for you?
Okay, it's 889201.
Okay, thank you. I've located the payment and I see that there was a system delay in activating the premium service. The good news is that the issue has been already addressed on our end and I've manually triggered the activation for your account. You should receive your confirmation and access details within the next 15 minutes.
You sure about that? Because I've been hearing promises for days now.
Yes, Mr. Lawrence, I personally completed the activation for you and I will also send a confirmation email shortly after this call. I'll make sure to monitor it until everything is up and running smoothly on your side.
Alright, I'll wait for the email. Thanks for assisting me.
You're very welcome, Mr. Lawrence. I sincerely apologize for the delay and I appreciate your patience. If you need any further assistance, I'll be happy to help.
In the scenario 2, Janus effectively handled the frustrated customer by maintaining a calm and empathetic tone, acknowledging concerns and taking responsibility for resolving the issue. He efficiently gathered information and provided clear details about a system delay, and also confirmed that he had manually activated the service, which reassured Lawrence. His commitment to customer satisfaction was evident through his promise to send a confirmation email and monitor the situation. However, he could improve by summarizing Lawrence's concerns and explaining the delay for better transparency, and also implementing regular training on active listening and empathy along with the role-playing exercise and clear follow-up protocols. It can enhance overall customer service quality.